Assalamu alaikum student. Today we shall practice the exercise of the lesson number 11. The language structure is given here and the topic is the simple present tense. The topic is the simple present tense. The simple present tense is also known as the indefinite tense. The simple present tense is also known as indefinite tense. It is known as indefinite tense because the time or the period of action is not definite or specific. How would you define it? The simple present tense or indefinite tense is used to show an action that is done as a part of routine or as a part of habit. Examples are given here. First one is, we come to school every day. He cleans his teeth every morning. He speaks English well. They often go there. We never swim in the river. Another use of the simple present tense or indefinite tense, it is used to show some universal truth. Examples are given here. 2 and 2 make 4. The earth moves round the sun. Too many cooks spoil the broth. An activity is there. A part. Reply to these questions using the simple present tense and the adverbs and the adverbial phrases like these: never, always, every day, every week, once a day, twice a day, 3 times a week, etc. Examples are here. The first one is, when do you come to school? I come to school every day. When do you play hockey? I never play hockey. Similarly, you will answer these in complete sentences. When do you clean your teeth? I clean my teeth every morning or twice a day. When do you go to bed? Go to sleep. When do you go to sleep? I go to sleep at night. When do you get out of bed? I get out of bed in the morning. When do you eat a meal? I eat a meal twice a day. When do you have English lessons? I have English lesson 5 times a week. When do you do your homework? I do my homework every day. When do you read a newspaper? I read a newspaper every day. When do you drink tea? I drink tea every day. When do you like to eat sweets? I like to eat sweets every day. When do you read a book? I read a book every day. When do you go to a library? I go to a library once a week or every week. When do you buy a new dress? I buy a new dress once a month. When do you buy a new shirt? I buy a new shirt once a month. When do you watch a play? When do you watch a play? I watch a play once a month. When do you listen to the wireless? I never listen to the wireless. In present indefinite tense, the first form of the verb is used after the subject, except in present indefinite tense, first form of the verb is used with the subject. In case of singular third person, we have to add es or s. Answer these questions. When does your father go to work? My father goes to work in the morning. When does your mother prepare a meal? My mother prepares the meal in the evening. When does your teacher come to school? My teacher comes to school in the morning. When does the principal of your school speak to you? The principal of my school speaks to us in the morning. When does the school close? The school closes at 2 o'clock. When does a policeman stop the traffic? A policeman stops the traffic when the people violate the traffic rules. Does your best friend see you? When does your best friend see you? My best friend sees me every weekend. When does your science teacher give you a lesson? My science teacher gives me a lesson 4 times a week. When does your teacher give you homework? My teacher gives me homework every day. Here is the other activity. Change these sentences into singulars. Examples are given here. They do not come here often. He does not come here often. The pupils have work to do. The pupil has work to do. The players have colored shirts. इनके सिंगुलर्स कैसे होंगे? The player has colored shirt. The player has colored shirt. My friends do not like swimming. My friend does not like swimming. My teachers have books to mark. My teacher has books to mark. The snakes are green. The snake is green. The dusters are for cleaning the blackboard. The duster is for cleaning the blackboard. The men do not work in the afternoon. The man does not work in the afternoon. The girls have smart uniform. The girl has smart uniform. We have a new teacher. I have a new teacher. We do English every day. I do English every day. The workmen have a lorry. The workman has a lorry. Here is the D part of the exercise. Complete these sentences by adding the simple present tense of the verb given. You can tell her when she comes back. She singular third person है तो उसके साथ हमने s ऐड करना है verb के साथ. You can tell her when she comes back. If you work hard, you will do well. If you work hard, you will do well. I shall not leave until the concert ends. I will buy the paper as soon as you tell me how much you want. Unless he acts quickly, it will be too late. Unless he acts quickly, it will be too late. This is all about the exercise.